Hey guys, this is Evan with Flip and Customize here, and today we're going to be checking out the Nilight LED headlights for a Mazda Miata or a Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, it's actually it comes with a wiring harness for a Jeep, but they're actually made for the Mazdas. And here we have the low beam lumens, which is 3200 lumens, which is a lot, and the high beam lumens, which is 4500 lumens, which is a lot as well. So let's get into this box. I only have one of the headlights in this box right now because I put one in for the comparison video, and once we do the unboxing I'm gonna do the comparison and then show you guys how you'd actually put one of the headlights in. So in the box we have our little thank you card, and inside of this just kind of tells you how you can win stuff, and there's that. Then obviously I got my whole headlight, but this is what you would see. Two of these. They come plastic wrapped nicely with plenty of foam that's keeping them in good. I'm gonna pull the plastic off. That is a nice light right there. Huge bulb. There's the back, and there is your plug. That's what it looks like. And if you're doing this on a Jeep, this isn't going to be an instructional video on how to install it on a Jeep, but this is the wiring harness. I'd assume it's about the same for installation as well, but that is your wiring harness. And now for a little comparison, there we have the OEM headlight, and if you get in the beam of that, oh my, the difference is insane. That's the low beam. I'm going to go switch on the high beam, and there's your high beam. I mean, that light's bright, but like, you definitely can't beat that. That is crazy. Okay, and now let's get into the installation. So to remove your OEM headlight bulb here, you're gonna have 4 screws. I already took them out, but they're 4 Phillips head screws, one on or 2 on each side, and pop that out. And this is just gonna gonna shimmy it out a little bit here, but it'll just slide off. And then to take the actual bulb out, you should have 3 screws, one here, and one at the bottom there. All right, now that we got this off, this little ring should just come out of there. That is going to go on your new headlight like that. It only goes one way. You'll be able to tell. It looks like it goes anyway, but actually the distance between here, and here down there are a little different. So for this clip, you just pinch right here and pull. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. And there we go. That's off. You got your old headlight out. Super easy. I keep them because they still work. I'm going to leave them in the box just as backups. I doubt we'll ever have an issue with these, but it is a nice backup. Now you're going to want to do the same process. Plug that into that end. That is going to obviously plug in your headlight. You want to align. I go by these words, and you want to make sure it's nice and straight in there, or else it's going to look a little silly. But yeah, just make sure your headlight's straight in there, and put that metal ring on, and screw it on, and I'll come back after that. And I just want to point out something I just noticed. There is little grooves, if you see there, that it just sets in. Same with up there at the top. So it'll go in nice and straight and it doesn't wiggle. So now I'm going to put the ring on. All right, and now that you got your metal ring on, you can see it says nice and straight in there. No wiggle. Even though mine has 2 screws, it's still fine. Shouldn't move. I just want to point out, this is either really nice thick plastic or glass. I can't tell, but either way, it's like really great quality. And now your final step would be to take this plastic outskirt, and I'm going to be careful not to touch my paint because it is fresh. And it's just going to slide in there. You'll see there's little grooves on this side that you got to clip in. They just pop up in there, just like that, that. You just want to align those holes as well, and there you go. Put your 4 screws back in, and that's about it. And there's the final product. These are the headlights installed, and they are so nice and bright. That reminds you, that's just the low beams. That is crazy. Once again, huge shout out to Nilight. These lights are amazing. They'll help me see better at night. And they're a great quality, nice and easy to install, and honestly, some of the best lights I've seen. Hey guys, this is Evan with Flip and Customize, and now we're out driving with the headlights on. This is the low beams, and that is the high beams. And as you can see, there is, say we shut the lights off, it's very dark. Turn the lights on, boom, brightness. Look how bright those high beams are. They are truly incredible, honestly. I have had multiple complaints about how bright they are, actually. It's pretty funny.